this, I just didn't want grass. This used to be an old horse paddock, and I just didn't want to just look at grass. And usually there's an RV there, but it's gone. So I wanted to screen off the RV area, and so I put in a bunch of loropetalum, and then that's purple, so I let that grow for 3 years or so. And then right after that I planted these. So this is the second year for these beautiful, and I just love the contrast of the loropetalum with the sunshine ligustrum. And I think I'm going to continue it over. I left 2 paths so that you can walk in. This one I have to leave because we use that all the time, but that one over there we do not use, to the right of the Bismarck Palm. So these get big, and I'm going to tell you, if you cut off a piece and it accidentally lands root down into the cut side down into the ground, it will propagate itself. So these I've already trimmed up once, and they're just exploding with yellow. Beautiful contrast to the purple. So I have the final stages of some love in a mist, or nigella. Look, I got some blooms on the loropetalum. All of my daylilies are pretty much spent, but those were beautiful orangey burgundy color. I've got some zinnias coming up. I planted a new rose in here. I've got some hollies here, little to give the little structure evergreen bowl look here. And I just mowed, so there's some, there you go. Look how beautiful that has been my favorite palm tree ever. And I feel like I need to put one on the other side of the shed to give it a sister plant. I just think it's so gorgeous. I love the seed heads of these nigellas here, and they dry up and the seeds pop out. They're like little balloons. Here's the spent. Here you can see better view of this daylily, but this whole thing was ablaze in daylilies. And I have some fuchshia coming. I have 3 of them. So those are red hot poker plants. And here, I'll show you this. If I pop this off, hopefully I can do it with, let's try this. Here, oop. You can see this is full of seeds. And I'll just put them down here. And then this is roses that I have to deadhead here. I think it's general store rose from like Gainesville. And actually these are a different type of holly. These are the like soft touch holly here, which I was afraid wasn't going to make it in this hot sun, but so far so good. And the ones over here are a different holly because the ones that I had there died because I didn't water them over the winter time. This my stepfather planted here. It's a cherry. It's like a Suriname cherry, which is probably an invasive if you don't mow around it, or if the birds eat the seeds, but he likes to eat them, so he gets to them before the birds do. Anyway, I have some bachelor's buttons fading out over here. I planted another rose. I don't know which one it is. And then this is a pomegranate that I have to find a place for it. And there you have the front garden here.